Okay, in this video, I'd like to show you how to literally copy a component, one of the components, and then paste it into another new component. Like, for instance, this table here has 4 identical legs, and 2 sides are the identical, front and the back are identical, etc. So this will save you a lot of time in doing this. And the way to do that is find the component that you're looking for as you're actually making it. You can do that. Let's say, for instance, this leg. So I'll highlight this, activate that leg, and right now it's highlighted in right there. So you just click on it to make sure it's highlighted, and there you go. And then just a Command C is all you have to do. And then once you do the Command C, which is a copy command, you just go up to right click on the main drawing, the bedside table right there, click on a new component. And then from the new component, you activate that one. And then you do a Command V, which is paste, and it'll paste it right into there in the exact location. Or if you want to move it around, you can move it into the location you need it. And it's a quick method on how to copy and paste components. Someone was asking me earlier on how to do that. And then from there, of course, you can go ahead and do your other information. Let's say for the properties, you want to make sure you name that. Let's say leg, let's say number 5, if you wanted to do that. And then, of course, you'd put in your description, which I usually have in there, is the dimensions of that.